Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and this is a Hooked on Nails collaboration. This month our theme is foils, which is strips like this, could be like this. Let's see, what else do I have? I have all different ones up here on my desk, but we are going to be using this. This is Jungle Bloom by Jungle Bloom by Charlie's Nail Art. That is charliesnailart.co.uk. I'm a brand ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art. My code is nailed10, all in caps. Please feel free to use that at checkout. So we're going to be using Jungle Bloom. The other products I'm using, my nails are going to be Sapphire by, oh, isn't that beautiful? By Igel Beauty. My base coat, where'd it go? Base coat is Beetles. My nail art foil glue is Beetles. My top coat is by Igel Beauty. Alright. Well, I started without you, as always, just to make the video just a little bit shorter. Not quite so long. So we're going to do full coverage nail here, diagonally across here. We're going to dive in. We're going to crack on, as Pumpkin would say. We're going to crack on. It cracks me up, it really does. I think it's a neat little saying. She's over from England, I believe, Nottingham, England. So we're going to pop this in the lamp. You don't want to do all your foil nails at the same time, because you need to apply the foil right when it comes out of the lamp. Alrighty, here we go. Our nail is finished in the lamp. We're going to apply our foil glue. I didn't put it over far enough. Shoot. So we're going to do a little bit of rubbing, not a whole lot, because I plugged in a new lamp. I'm getting beautiful transfer. My old lamp, wow, my Duo, I'm going to miss it. But it's done for. It's done for. So over here, I might want to try to figure out. That one kind of cut it short. So I'm going to apply this here. Voila! 100% full coverage, easy peasy, nice and beautiful. I'm going to get the extra bead off my brush. There it goes again. So I'm going to take this, fill this in, put it in the good old lamp for 60 seconds. Alrighty, here we go. We are going to do some diagonal coverage. Rub. Oh, I got itchy cheek. So I'm not sure how far up this foil is going to transfer the sticky base coat. Rub. Oh, my doggy scared me. My doggy scared me. There we go. And that get good foil transfer down here. Rub this down. Here we go. Put her back on the stand. We're now going to be top coating and adding some bling. These turned out really super cute. Loving the foil. Again, it is called Jungle Bloom by Charlie's Nail Art. When you top coat, start your cuticle down to your tip, fan your brush out. Jump over this nail. Use the excess on my brush. Alright. It just turned out really pretty. There. Last but not least, our thumbnail. We got beautiful coverage for foil. Sassy and Karina's the one that figured out that my lamp had took a poop, which is sad. I'm gonna miss it. That was my favorite lamp that I've ever had. You know, because with the Duo, you know, you can put both hands in at one time, and that was really cool. Let me fix my thing here at the top. A couple more. There we go for that one. Start filling them in on your index finger. You can do any bling design that you want to do. You could have went diagonally with them. Could go in any direction you want to go. So now we're going to fix them up. Put them in place where we want them. I think I need a little más. One more. Alright, well, we're going to pop these in the lamp, give these a full 60-second cure, and we'll be right back. Okay, here we are. I think these turned out really cute. Love the bling at the top of the ring and index finger. I think it makes it, don't you? Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my foil manicure for today for Hooked on Nails. Down in the comments. First one will be pinned, will be the playlist. That way you can check out everybody that did a video. There'll be more pictures on Instagram. So check me out there, just nailed it. Whew, we'd all greatly appreciate it. I know I sure would. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of said manicure. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.